Hi, my name is Devyn Bromley. I'm an incoming freshman. Today I'm going to be moving into Delphi Commons 2, and I'm majoring in industrial design currently, and I'm excited to start my year at ASU. The Sankofa Leadership Program is a program that helps you get situated with the Black Student Union and other Black students on campus so you can have your little circle, get to know people who look like you, and I feel like that's pretty important because for a lot of students and a lot of Black students, it's easy to feel really isolated. So being able to get in, move in early, and already have your own little friend group or people that look like you and that understand you and your circumstances and what you could possibly go through would be really comforting and really helpful, especially for me because I've dealt with a lot of stuff in the past that made me want to pursue doing this Sankofa program. What really inspired me to join the Sankofa program was I went on the Black student tour back in March of this year, I believe. The people who were in charge of the BSU and the Sankofa program, they were all really helpful, really resourceful. They seemed to be really on top of their stuff. They all had scholarships, were all dual majoring, doing a lot of big things, and I wanted to be a part of that and maybe have some of their influence kind of rub off on me, as well as just, you know, being around people who are academically successful and look like me as well. We're going to be touring all 4 campuses every day, so I'll be able to go see all the different campuses, what they look like, get a good feel for them. There's going to be a family breakfast and ceremony, just getting you situated, see other families, and get to know some people before activities get started. I'm actually very excited to move in early. I think I have about 4 or 5 days before my roommates come in as well. So I have the room to myself, the bathroom to myself. I get a little bit of peace and quiet and everything. And I'm excited to be able to have like a bit of a grace period to kind of just relax and do whatever I want until I have to, you know, really buckle down and get started academically and doing things. I know Arizona State has like a lot of stuff that they have going on, a lot of stuff throughout the year, especially on the Tempe campus, and I'm excited to be able to get to do all of that.